Welcome to DroidKit YouTube video, your all-in-one solution for your Android device. We're going to explore the powerful system cleaner function. Imagine you've been using your Android device for a while, and over time, you've noticed that it has started to slow down. Apps take longer to load, and you're running out of storage space. You decide to use a system cleaner tool to optimize your device. System Cleaner supports to clean cache files, APK files, running apps, large files on Android. Let's get started. Launch DroidKit on your computer and choose System Cleaner mode. Click on the Start button. Connect your Android device to your computer using a USB cable. The DroidKit application will automatically install on your phone upon connection. Please grant permission to access all files. DroidKit will automatically scan your device for various types of junk files, including cache files, APK files, running apps, and large files. After the scanning is complete, you will see a list of junk files that can be cleaned. Select the files you want to remove and click on the Clean Now button to free up space on your device. Once the cleaning is done, you will see a message confirming that the files have been successfully cleaned.